up, Brad Squad? It's Yonathan Elias. Now, as you know, we love to get to know our squad members. So in today's Brad Show Live Squad Close-Up, we're gonna introduce Brad Show Live fan Thais de Almeida, based in Atlanta, Georgia. Did I say your name right?
Yes.
You like how I said it? Say it for me.
Yes, in the American accent, yes.
Oh,
the American
no,
accent,
I want to get it the right accent.
In Portuguese, it's Thais de Almeida.
Whew. Thais de Almeida.
Almeida.
Okay, I'll work on it. All right, so let the Brad Squad know where you from.
I'm from Brazil. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil.
Oh, nice. And when did you immigrate here?
To be precise, on December 31st of 2013.
Okay.
New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. That's an interesting time to come here.
Yes, I spent in the airport.
What's the reason why you came here?
I got a scholarship from UGA, University of Georgia. I came from my university in Brazil, sent me here.
So that means you came on a certain type of visa?
J1, exchange student.
All right, so what are you doing here now? I know you're in Atlanta, Georgia, right?
Yes.
So what are you doing out here now?
I'm studying for the GRE. I just graduated from my master's at Georgia State University, and now I'm trying to get or law school or the PhD program.
So what did you get your master's in?
In political science.
Nice. You want to get involved in the government?
Yes. I don't know exactly what I want to do, but I want to be somebody important that makes changes around the world or like in here in the United States. But I've been working on make people feeling better, immigrants feeling better here, to feel welcome and to get, connected to the culture and learning English to adapt more to the country.
I love that. So that's some of the work that you're doing with new U.S. citizens, right?
I did an internship with a New American Pathways that we help refugees, asylum seekers, those people that came to the United States. They don't have, a place to live, clothes. Most people don't come with clothes. So we kind of set up everything for them, enroll kids in the school, take them in the airport, pick them up in the airport, those kind of things.
That's
and
amazing.
Help them with the taxes, to become citizens, to register for voting and this kind of thing.
That's amazing. So how'd you find the Brad Squad?
I got more involved with immigration after a very close person of me got arrested by Border Patrol. And I didn't know anything about. So I kind of helped with this person's case, and I started helping people in detention centers too.
You've helped U.S. citizens register to vote. This is a big thing, especially with this past election. Now, what was that like?
We focus on immigrants that naturalize at USCIS here in Atlanta. After the ceremony, we went there and we tried to, to encourage them to register to vote. We did that. I did a kind of brochure with the candidate's name, their immigration platform, ideas or economy, this kind of things for them to get familiar with, for them to feel welcome and feel that they can contribute to the society here in some ways, like by voting.
That's amazing. That probably made a difference, because I know Atlanta, they did a lot to help Biden and Harris come to office.
Yeah, it was very impressive. I'm very happy with the results of the elections. But also something interesting, I worked for a campaign for a Republican candidate here in 2014 from a very strong conservatism. The Republicans, they have so many parties. So from a very conservatism party. And it brought me a lot of different perspectives about the elections, about politics in the United States. So I like helping people to understand the scenario here.
Yeah.
It's not only you going vote, but it's much more than that.
Yes. Research, knowing exactly who you're voting for. Absolutely. So now you also work on the 2020 U.S. Census. You're just doing it all, Thais. You are doing it all. Bionic woman.
Everywhere,
my goodness. So tell me about that experience. How was that, the 2020 census?
We created two kind of brochures. We created in English and in Portuguese to encourage people to respond the census, to answer the census when they come to their doors. Because a lot of immigrants, they were afraid of, Trump was trying to collect the information to know if you were a citizen or not, and you could be on track for ICE.
Wow.
So a lot of people didn't want to help, but I encouraged them. I said how important it is for the community because as much more they know how many people are living here, they can get more funding to the state. It can help like with hospitals, with schools here, with the roads. So I'm trying to encourage people how important is the census, and it happens every 10 years. So it's important for the government to know how many people are living there. And also we can get more representatives, you know, for the elections, for the House. And I think that would be important for people to know that we can get more electoral college.
Yes, you're brilliant. I feel very lucky that you have joined the Brad Squad. So thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you.
us all of this. This is amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
Oh, absolutely. Anytime.